Okay, so hello guys. Today we are going to continue our Python interview series. Okay, so I already have completed lots of topic like Python list, Python sets, Python tuples, dictionary. Okay, and functions. Now I am going to solve problem based on lambda function. Okay, sorry, not lambda. Yes. So I am going to solve problem based on lambda. Okay, so what is lambda? A lambda function in Python is a small and anonymous function defined using the lambda keyword. Okay, unlike regular function defined with def. Okay, so we can't define lambda by def. Okay, lambda function are restricted to a single expression and do not require a name. Anonyms mean it doesn't require any name. They are primarily used for coincides one-time operation where defining a full function with a def would be unnecessary. Okay, so I hope you got it. What is the lambda? If you have any doubt, you can go and watch my previous Python bootcamp series. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you that everything will be visible to you. Okay, so here our first question: sort list of dictionary by a key using lambda. Okay, so here these are the dictionaries, multiple dictionaries. Okay, here I have key equals to name and value equals to a. Again we have key equals to a's and value equals to 25. This is our second dictionary. Okay, here I have key equals to name and b equals to value. Here I have key equals to age and b equals to this value. Okay, 30 20. Okay, this is the key and this is the value. Again this is the key and this is the value. We have three dictionary. Okay, so here inside this we have item. In item we have key and first dictionary. Okay, with the key and value. Okay, so here I'm going to find out key using lambda. Okay, so here here I'm going to take lambda x colon x of age. So here I'm going to return age. Okay, so in first dictionary a, name is a has age 30-year-old, 25-year-old. Okay, and in second dictionary you can see here name equals to v and age equals to 20. Okay, so we can extract age 20. This is the smaller and this is the middle. Okay, and here in third dictionary I have name, that is c, and age equals to 30. Okay, this is the 30 age and largest number, and this is the last. Okay, so here I am going to sort list of dicts by using using lambda. Okay, so here I'm going to write code. Okay, sorted underscore data equals to, I'm going to use sort method, sorted. Okay, this will automatically sort everything. Okay, here I'm going to pass this data. Okay, this data. Okay, in the dictionary, in the form of dictionary. Okay, now I am going to find out key. Okay, so here I'm going to find out key using lambda. Okay, so key, here I'm going to use lambda because my question is already said that I'm going to find out key by using lambda. So here key x equals to x and age. Okay, I'm just going to find out age from x. Okay, so here it will give you 25, 30, whatever, and here I'm going to print this sorted data. Okay guys, so I got age 20. Okay, so this is like in sorted order. Okay, and here this is the second. Okay, and this is the third. You can see here this is 20. 20 is smaller than 25. 25 is smaller than 30. Okay, so we are going to find out a keys. So sort list of dictionary by using key. Okay, so we sort these dictionary by using keys. Okay, so that's why I need to access key here by using lambda. Okay, according to age we can find out that um, who is smaller than other. Okay, so age is smaller than b and b is smaller than c. Okay, because c has She is 30-year-olds. Okay. So here now we can find out odd number using lambda filter. Okay. So here I'm going to write code numbers equals to, oh, should I have number here? Yes. Number equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, these are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here I'm going to write one line that is inside the list. Okay, list I am going to use filter here. Okay, filter, inside the filter I'm going to use lambda. Lambda, here I'm going to use x colon x divided by 2. If not equals to 0, then number will be odd, otherwise it will be even number. Okay, so here I need to close. Yes, so I already close lam filter list filters lambda. Lambda x colon x divided by, sorry, x divided by 2. I did mistake here. Okay, this condition is like this. Okay, and this is the number is this list in the form of list. I have number here. Okay, and here I'm going to check lambda equals to, sorry, lambda, here I'm going to take x equals to 1, first element from here. Okay, x equals to 1, then I need to check this 1 is divided by 2 is equals to 0. No, this condition is true. Okay, then it will add the 1 inside the result. Okay, then again I'm going to take x equals to 2. This 2 is divided by 2 and got 0. Yes, this is false, so we need to skip this because this is a even number, this is not odd, because we are going to find out odd number here. Okay, so here still 1 is same. Now I am going to take x equals to 3. Okay, then 3 is divided by 2, I got reminder 1. This is not 0. Okay, then this condition is true. Again, we are going to add here 3. Okay, so we can add one by one number and we can check with this condition x divided by 2. If number is not equals to 0, after dividing x by 2, if remainder is not equal to 0, then number is odd. Okay, so these are the number. They don't divide by, they don't divide by 2 and got 0 reminder. Okay, so these are the odd numbers. I'm going to move on this multiply list using lambda plus reduce. Okay. Filter are used for filter out here. Okay. So which number is divided or not, and it will give you answer like this. Okay. Now multiply list using lambda plus reduce. Okay. So here I'm going to use inbuilt function or inbuilt fun. I'm going to use functools. From functools, I'm going to import reduce. Okay, it will give you answer in single character or single integer form. Okay, by using reduce, it will reduce numbers. Okay, so because multiply list using lambda plus reduce. Okay, so here I'm taking numbers equals to 1 comma 2, sorry, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are the numbers, and here I'm going to use reduce. What happening? Okay, so this is the reduce. Okay, now I am going to use lambda here I'm going to take a and b. Okay, and colon I'm going to multiply a with b. Okay, and here I'm going to pass just nms numbers. Okay, so these are the numbers, this one. Okay, and here you can see I'm going to start with 2. Okay, a equals to 2 and b equals to 3, this one. Now I am going to multiply this a and b, it will become 6. Here a and b, it will become 6, new accumulated value. Okay, now I have a equals to 6 and b equals to 4, this is next. Okay, so now after I have a equals to 6 and b equals to 4, now I am going to multiply a and b, I will got 4. I will get 4. Okay, so here 24 in result. Okay, now we are going to check palindrome with lambda. Okay, so here I'm going to define one variable, that is palindrome. Okay, and here I'm going to use lambda s means string. Here I'm going to check that this string is equals to reverse string by using -1 slicing. I'm going to use slicing here. Okay, I already solved this problem without slicing also. If you have any doubt, you can go and watch my DSSEH. Okay, so here I'm going to pass one string, that is madam. Okay, so here this is the madam. I'm going to check this is palindrome or not. So input string s equals to madam. Here in table you can see here, and now I am going to do reverse by using slicing s colon colon -1. So it will give you madam, same word. Okay, so here we are going to compare this string, input string s equals to reverse string. Okay, here s equals to madam, and reverse of this s, I also reverse of s, I also already say show you this reverse of colon colon, sorry, reverse s colon colon -1 is equal to madam also. So here both are same, so they are just true. Okay, madam is palindrome number, palindrome string. Okay, now we are going to use, I'm going to solve this sort string by using length using lambda. Okay, so here these are the word, I'm going to sort string by length using lambda. Okay, so we are going to find out how, like length of apple, length of high, length of banana, length of cat. Okay, so apple, you can see here apple has length 5 because it has 5 alphabet inside this. Okay, and here you can see high has 2 length because it has h and I. Okay, and here banana equals to 6 because it has 5 alphabets here. Okay, so its number is 4. Okay, and cat is has 3 alphabets and its length is 3. Okay, so you can see here first minimum length is this high. Okay, so it will give you like 1 2 3, so minimum to maximum height, okay, of this word. So here I'm going to write sorted equals to, in sorted I'm going to pass words. Okay, these words, okay, these words I'm going to pass here. Okay, I'm going to use key equals to lambda. Okay, and here lambda equals to x colon length of x. Okay, so here you can see here I took already x equals to apple, and length of apple is 5. I take x equals to h, and length of h is, sorry, length of x is 2 high. Okay, so I took x equals to high and its length is 2. Okay, I'm going to take again x equals to banana and its length is 6, x equals to cat and its length is 3. Okay, so it will give you in sorted order. Okay, so first of all I have height, high, cat, and apple and banana. Okay, now we are going to solve this problem Celsius to Fahrenheit using map plus lambda. Okay, so here I'm going to write like code. 1 minute. I'm just going to use one formula. Okay, so list. I'm going to use map inside this lambda of x, lambda inside lambda I have x here. This is the formula, x into 9 divided by 5 plus 32 plus 32, and here I'm going to pass c. Okay, so here I'm going to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is the c means we have temperature in Celsius. Okay, these are the different temperatures. So here I'm just passing c. Okay, and here I'm going to use map, that it will map the temperature. Okay, so here lambda equals to x I need to take x equals to 0, and I use this formula, 0 into 9 divided by 5 plus 32, sorry, plus 32, I got 32. Okay, so I convert 0 into Fahrenheit, it will become 32. Okay, now again you can take x equals to 10, Then you need to calculate this formula. Okay, and you calculate its Fahrenheit, so it will give you everything in Fahrenheit like this. Okay, now I am going to solve another problem, that is extract last character using lambda. Okay, be just going to extract last character from words. Okay, I have apple, I want to extract e from here. Hello, I want to extract last character, that is o, from hello, o from hello. Okay, uh, from by I'm going to extract last element, that is e. Okay, so you can see here apple, x equals to apple, last element of apple is e, and here I'm going to add this in output. Okay, again I have x equals to hello, and last element is o from hello, so I'm going to add o after e. Okay, now I am going to take x equals to y, and here last element is e, so I'm going to take e o, and after these two I add e here. Okay, so I'm just going to write one line code by using map. It will map these word. Okay, so here I'm going to use map, here inside this I'm going to use lambda x colon x of minus 1. Okay, and comma words. Okay, so you got it. Okay, eoe, so this is the map function. Okay, and here this is the lambda x, we need to take x equals to apple, and this will take by using minus 1 x minus 1, so it will take element from last index. Okay, and here this for bird, so I got e o e. Okay, last element from each word. Now we are going to remove empty string using lambda. So we have here you can see in items we have empty string, this one and this one. I am going to remove this from these items. Empty string I'm going to remove from these item. Okay, so here I'm going to write list filter, and here lambda x colon x, that is not equals to empty list. Okay, here I'm going to pass lambda, sorry, I'm going to pass items, not lambda. Okay, so if you run this, then you can see here I already replaced empty string. Okay, so first of all you need to take x equals to high. Okay, then you need to check this condition, x is not equals to empty string. Yes, high is not equals to empty string. Okay, so then we can keep it. Okay, and we add this high in output. Okay, now we can check with this empty string. Okay, so we can x equals to empty string again here, and I'm going to check this condition, this empty string is not equals to empty string, this is false. Okay, but this is equal, and here I'm going to remove this, and I keep only previous element, that is high. Okay, again we can check with hello, so x equals to hello, we can check this condition, x is not equals to empty string, as this is true. Now we can keep hello. Okay, so we can do with all strings. Okay, so you got hi, hello, and python. Now we are going to solve this problem, sort list of tuple by second element. Okay, so these are the tuple, different tuple inside the list. I'm going to write code sorted tuple. So this is for t means tuple, and here I'm going to use key equals to lambda equals to lambda x. Here I'm just find out key. Okay, I'm going to run this. Okay, so here sort list of tuple by second element. Okay, so this is the second, you can see here tuple x equals to 1 comma 3, first tuple, this one 1 comma 3, and its second element is 3. Okay, now you can check here x equals to 2 comma 1, this is the second tuple, and here its second item is 1. Okay, now I have 5 comma 0, t equals to 5 comma 0, sorry, x equals to 5 comma 0, and we can check here its second element is 0 here. So we can find out second element is 3 from here. From this I have second element is 1, and I have second element 0 from here, 5 comma 0. Okay, so we are going to sort list of tuple by using second element. Okay, so it will give you here first element is this 5 comma 0 because we are going to sort in ascending order. Okay, by using sort. So here I got 5 comma 0, and after this 0 I have 1. Okay, so it will give you 1 2 comma 1 here, and after this I have 1 comma 3. Okay, now we using square using lambda, compute square using lambda. This is last question. Here you can see I'm just going to write list, and this is the map, and this is the lambda. Map and lambda, and here I'm going to pass x colon. I'm just going to find out the score of x. Oh, this is not. And here I'm going to pass numbers. Okay, so I got a score of number. Okay, so here you can see value of x equals to 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 3, x equals to 4. Okay, so here I have different value of x. Okay, now I will do x into x. Okay, so I have x equals to 1, so x into 1, x into 1, sorry, 1 into 1 I got 1. Okay, now I have x equals to 2, so 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Okay, I added there. Okay, now again I'm going to take x equals to 3, 3 into 3, it will become 9. Okay, I'm going to add 9 here. Okay, again I took x equals to 4 from here, so it will become 4 into 4, 16. Okay, so I'm going to add 16 here, so I got output 1, 4, 9, 16. This is our lambda. Hi Pandians, learning Python, how to start? I already have playlist, you can go and watch there. Python bootcamp series. In my channel, you can see here in my channel. Rohan, good luck or whatever you are doing. All the best, ma'am. Thank you, Rohan. Hello, how are you? DR. Ma'am, I stuck at pattern problem in Pythons. Where do you stuck in patterns? Hello, pyramid. With three loops only. You just need to understand loop. Okay. So first of all, you need to recall loop. Then you will solve it easily. Actually, here I am going to solve a Python interview question. Otherwise, I will help you. I already have an NumPy course, test course I already have in my YouTube channel. You can go and watch there. Crash course for 1 hour. Okay, clips. No problem. Hi, Basal. Okay, guys, if you don't have any doubt, I am going. What is the this stream about? I am going to solve. Actually, I have already solved problem. Python interview problems. I have created list. I have just finished now. You can go and watch there. Yes. What is this? Is Python better than CPP? Both are better, but depend on your interest. If you want to learn Python or if you want to go in AI data science, then you can learn Python or R language. Otherwise, you can go with CPP, C++. plus plus. I had some problem can't be solved in Python due to LTLE. Is it true? Python is high level language, yeah. Why can't Python is not solved? Python can solve everything. Python has pandas, numpy, visualization, for visualization, and they have matplotlib. They have PySpark for data analysis. Python is very huge. Python is very high level language like Java. With the help of Python, you can do AIML also. Okay, guys, I will back after 10 and 20 minutes. I am going now. What's your qualification? Sai Charang, my qualification, I did Bachelor of Engineering. And I also have work experience. Okay, guys, bye bye. I see you after an hour. Hi, Kailash. Bye bye. Take care. I'm going now. I will be back in 20 minutes. Bye bye. Take care, guys.